All right. So, two things I want to cover in this video. One, we're going to talk about the Amazon's new 2024 FBA inbound placement service fee for FBA shipments. There are three different ways. I'm going to show you the most optimal way. That way, when you guys are setting up your stores, you are still setting yourself up for success and not skipping this step, which could save you a lot of money down the line. Okay. So the first thing that we're going to go over, how to actually, because there are three different ones, right? There's three different ones. So we have, whoops, let's go here. Amazon optimized shipment splits, which is no additional fees, partial shipment splits, minimal shipment splits. Say that 10 times. So in order to get to the shipment to set that up, you're going to hit fulfill by Amazon, this screen. All right. Then you're going to go to inbound settings, the third one down. You're going to hit edit. And you have these three options, right? Now, we're going to do Amazon optimized shipment splits so that you have no additional fees. Okay. Then you're gonna, but depending where you live, if you're in the East Coast, keep this on East. If you're Central, change to Central, West, and so forth, right? Because what happens is, you see how I still moved it here? It still has this as West. So when it's shipping the items, it's going to go to the West, from my understanding. So we're going to hit wherever we're located, and then we're going to do Amazon optimized shipment splits, hit update, and boom, that's it. Now, what you want to do is then go over here to your AZ Insight. And the reason why I'm setting it up this way is because even though it says that there are no additional fees, and you know what? Let's go back. Let's go back to the inbound settings because I want to show you guys. So as you can see here, send your inventory to multiple locations yourself for a reduced or no fee if you select partial, right? So partial is for reduced, or no fee if you select Amazon optimized shipment splits. So the reduced fees will depend on several factors, including the number of shipments and locations. If you select minimal splits, we'll spread your inventory across our network on your behalf for a fee. Only standard size items may be sent to your preferred region. Okay? So with this, and you updating it, you should be good, right? But what I want to do is an extra layer, and you'll be able to see when you create your shipment as well, is you can change this in your settings to make sure that you are getting the proper, when you're doing your sourcing, you're getting the proper numbers. So you have FBA inbound placement service fee. So you're going to hit include, right? We're sending to 2 or 3 locations in other parts of the US unless you opted for the West location, right? And all you're going to do is hit save. Now, you can take this off if and when you have shipments that are being sent, but you do not see what we call here the inbound placement service fee. So I wanted to show you both just in case. One, depending on which option you choose, right? And two, like it says here, like Amazon is not going to charge you if you choose the optimized one. However, it's good to see if that's the case because they are making some changes. So I want to make sure that you guys are set up for success. So reach out if you got any questions. As always, let's run up a bag. Let's get it.